The Buildings Department supports building development while ensuring public safety and health. This process involves building professionals submitting plans like general building plans, structural, drainage, and excavation plans. GBP serve as the foundation for other plans, which must align with the latest approved GBP. Approval of one plan does not guarantee approval for others, and consistency is required before certifying works or applying for occupation permits. Early consultation with the BD is encouraged to avoid costly redesigns. Written inquiries are typically answered within 45 days, and pre-submission conferences may include other government departments. To streamline approvals, GBP can be submitted in 3 stages: Stage I for fundamental issues, Stage 2 for superstructure, and Stage 3 for final details before OP application. This approach reduces delays by allowing construction to proceed while final details are finalized. Digital tools are now essential for accurate area calculations, and digital files must match certified paper plans. For exam guidance, visit the Building Surveying Excellence Academy.